Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today's May 10th, 2017, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar for today, just a couple of things coming up. ECB President Draghi will be speaking at 2 o'clock. That's South African time. We'll look at how that's going to affect the euro. And then at 4:30, South African time, of course, that's weekly crude inventory numbers that are coming out for oil. So that's going to have some impact there. Let's look at what's been going on. So we're going to start here with the EURUSD. As you can see, we've been respecting these pivot points, these support lines. As you can see, 108.69 was a good place to see it bounce, and then we're trading just a bit above that, about 20 pips above that, 108.68. So like I said, I don't think that there's going to be tremendous catalysts with the EURUSD. I think we're going to be trading in this range unless something happens today and Draghi brings out some sort of surprise. It's gotten firmer. It's gotten a little bit stronger than its all-time lows, about 400 pips stronger than its all-time lows. So we're seeing a little bit of a resurgence in the EURUSD. Now looking at the GBP USD as well, just trading with this new range, as we can see on a daily chart. You know, this is the rally that we had, and we're just finding ourselves just in a very tight range. So just realize that there's not going to be just these tremendous moves right away, but you could definitely pull some money out by buying at the bottom range. Here we're trading between 129.26 on the bottom side and 129.91. So that's a respectable trading range for you to make some money in. We're just above the 14-day average, as you can see here. So you know, this thing will trade within these two zones. I don't see it, like I said, I don't see it trading, breaking out or doing anything extreme. But you, like I said, you could definitely trade the bottom of the range by buying the bottom range, closing at the top of the range, and just booking your profits. Looking here at the USD Japanese yen, we've gotten stronger. We're retracing here just a little bit, but we're still in an upwards trend unless it shows some sort of major reversal here. I think we're going to be continuing up to 115. It might take another week or so, but just keep it in mind that it's still in that direction. It's still an uptrend, a very nice channel up. So keep an eye on this. Aussie USD, excuse me, firming up here just at the bottom, bouncing to 73.68. You know, it's gotten weaker. It is, you know, that was a previous support level, as you can see here, that we've bounced on it once before. But I'd like to really see this, you know, trading, you know, above this 74-ish level to see that it's firming up. Otherwise, it's still very, very weak, I think, and could still go further down. So keep an eye on this. Looking at gold, now gold's been a major play this week, obviously retracing from 1300-ish level from last week all the way down to 1221. So, you know, this has been a big reversal for gold. You know, taking it this far down has been a tremendous correction. Now we're heading into what we call previous resistance, maybe subsequent support here at 1221. So I'd actually look to you know, start buying here, because, you know, 80 points to retrace in a week and a half is a tremendous move. So let's see if this actually bounces today. I would anticipate that to make that play. Looking at the JSC breaking out higher, as you can see here, you know, we're looking at a weekly chart here, so you can't really see that it's breaking out higher, but it's above this 48,000 levels. So it's, you know, it's the most that we've gone from since almost a year ago. Okay, so there is strength in the equities market in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange that you can see, but let's keep an eye on see how further up it's going to go. Now we talked about the DAX earlier this week, tremendous pull through the DAX, and now it looks like it's, you know, it retraced itself, bounced itself back up to the tops, and now trading within that range. So we're still in an up move on the DAX. So that might affect what's been going on internationally, that the equities markets are very strong. Looking at the Dow, however, we had a tremendous sell-off, and this is what I mentioned yesterday, is that we would have this, we were looking into this wedge formation, and true enough, you know, we respected it, and then we, you know, rallied initially through it, almost hit our highs of 20,900-ish level, and then we just sold off. Okay, we sold off sharply 100 points. Still a big rally from where we were trading about a month ago at 20,300-ish level, but still at the top of its range. So we're at a support level here at 20,869. We've respected it before, so I'd like to see some sort of continuation on the upside. But let's see if we do get that, because these things have been trading quite aggressively, the equities markets, and I expect them to continue trading quite aggressively until the end of this month, right? We're starting June, July, August is the summer months, and the saying goes, sell in May and go away, and that's historically how the financial markets work. But not to say that the markets won't be trading, and the equities markets, and especially the Dow, won't be trading well. So I would keep an eye on this, especially the big run-up that we've had over the year. So I do expect still some volatility. So that saying might work well for other years. I don't think this year is going to be an example of that. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.